This is a short tutorial that shows you what Shark Tech resources are available for you and your family. We understand that the first days of school can be very busy. The Shark staff is committed to giving your students the best education possible. One of the best ways you can help support your child is by familiarizing yourself with the following technology tools. Our Scullen Daily Announcements is a Google presentation that is updated every day with important information vital to the student body. You can find this information by visiting our homepage and clicking on the link below the building picture. Student clubs, athletics, and general school information will be shown there. Be sure to check out the information so that you don't miss out on any Shark experiences. We understand that all Scullen families need a strong line of communication. There are 3 main tech resources that we offer at Scullen. The first one is Google Sites. This is a public site that contains information about your child's teacher and general information about their classes. No login is required for this. The second tech resource is Google Classroom. This interactive online classroom allows students to keep track of assignments and classroom materials. A logon is required for this site. Only students can access the site. We encourage all parents and guardians to obtain the log information from their child. Third tech resource is HACK, or the Home Access Center. This is our online grading system, and the grades are posted frequently by teachers so that parents and students can check their child's academic progress. Both parents and students have login credentials for this site. We will now take a closer look at each of these sites, beginning with Google Sites. This is a public site, so no logon is required. It is our goal to share all information about teacher and classes here. You can access this site by going to our main webpage for Scullen Middle School. Once you are on the main page, you can click on the Faculty and Staff link. A list of teacher names will appear. You can then click on the appropriate name, which will take you to the core or elective team page. The team page will contain all contact information and general announcements from the team and elective teams. On the upper left-hand side, you will see individual teacher pages that you can give you more information about their specific classes, materials, websites, or course schedules. Google Classroom is another important site for you to know. Most parents want to know what homework assignments their child has. This website is where you will find that information. This is the online classroom that contains daily homework assignments and all classroom materials. Grades are not recorded here. As mentioned before, a student login is required for this site because it contains curricular items. Additionally, there is a free app that can be downloaded onto your mobile device. We encourage all parents to obtain their student's login, which has the following conventions, followed by at k12.ipsd.org. The password is the same password they use to log into the school's network. Google Classroom is accessible on all web browsers, desktops, and laptops. You also have the convenient option to download the free app for your mobile devices. Please visit your app store for the following icons. All classes and assignments should be viewable on your mobile devices once you have this app. One convenient thing about this app is once you log on, it will remain logged in until you log out. In order to get to the Google Classroom website, you might want to search for Google Classroom on any search engine. Type in Google Classroom and the first link should be the right one. Once you're there, go ahead and log in by going to Get Classroom. You will enter your child's credentials that have the following conventions following at k12.ipsd.org. The logon is the computer logon password that each student has to use in order to get onto the IPSD network. Once you log on, you can see all the classes that you are registered for. Clicking on any of the icons will allow you to see what was done in the class. The most unique feature is the Assignments feature that allows parents and students to access the due dates as well as the postings of various assignments given by teachers. You can go to this by clicking on the pull-down menu and Assignments, and here you'll see all the homework items listed. Other online materials that we offer are given through individual classes. We also encourage you to visit our LMC link that contains various online tools to help your children throughout their middle school years. You can find this by going to the faculty and staff link and visiting Angela Weigard, who is our LMC director. Finally, HACK is our online grading program. All grades for assignments, projects, and assessments are recorded here. A login is required. Parents and students have their own accounts that can be used for this site. You can get to the HACK site by visiting the Scullen main page and clicking on the link on the left-hand side that says eSchool Home Access. This will take you to another page that gives you the official link for you to bookmark, as well as other various tutorials to help you understand how to use HACK. Once you are on the login screen, there is another link that shows you how to download the free app. Once you are on the site, you can look up your students' academic progress. There are different codes used by this program to let you know when assignments are missing or excused. For example, an X means excused, and the grade does not count for or against your child. A Z means that the assignment is missing and counts as a 0 for the student's grade. Finally, the ABS code means that your child was absent, so the grades will not be included. We believe that the middle school experience should be a great one. Thank you for watching this video. And on one final note, go Sharks!